Guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn breadcrumb. So guys, what is breadcrumb? You see in the top of page and category and products. You see the here is like hierarchy, home to and your current page, right? So breadcrumb basically used for any customer comes on your website, click on breadcrumb, comes on home page and other pages, right? So this is maybe in header or maybe footer, right? Both of are as per design, right? So here in this video we will learn how can on or off this breadcrumb, right? So go to an admin panel, right? Enter username and password, right? And previous video we are enabling captcha, so definitely fill captcha, right? So enter, right? And goes to store configuration and bam, right, inside a web default pages, right? So guys, this is breadcrumb. If we need don't show, so here is no and save, right? And most every pages comes by cache, so need for cache refresh configuration and second one page cache, right? And refresh it. Take time little bit. Yes, this is a refresh and this is after refresh. This is off, right? Or if you need yes, so go to here, store configuration and web and default pages, right? Yes, select yes, right, and go to refresh cache configuration and page, right? Refresh it, right? Okay, and refresh once again page. This is comes. Guys, if you need breadcrumb on CMS pages, so go to configuration and web default pages. So breadcrumb of CMS pages, yes. If you don't need, so here is no, right? So thank you so much.